Hi, I'm Ramon with DoorBird Technical Support. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate a SmartLock with your DoorBird intercom system. I'll be using the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi SmartLock as an example, but the process is similar for most SmartLocks. For this demo, both the DoorBird and the Kwikset SmartLock have been set up previously, and I have both apps installed. The next step is to link them together, so I'll grab my phone and walk you through the integration step by step. All right, so I'm going to open up my DoorBird app. I'm going to press on the settings cogwheel at the bottom right. Here, I'm going to select my app user. I'm going to scroll down until I see the SmartLock section. Since I don't have a SmartLock added, it's going to say off, but I'm going to press on that. It's going to show me a list of compatible SmartLock devices. I'm going to select the Kwikset SmartLock. And I'm going to enter my credentials. All right, I'll press on sign in. Wait for that to save. Now I'll go back. And I'm going to hit save at the top right. Next step is to go into the live view and test it. So I'm going to press the key icon. And now the Kwikset API integration shows up as an option, and I'm going to press on it. Lock has been triggered successfully, and I can hear my smart lock go off as well. Here's a tip. If you're not utilizing the onboard relays of the DoorBird, you can actually revoke relay permission so that when you press the key icon, it automatically triggers your smart lock. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I got my phone. I'm going to head to the settings. And I'm going to select administration under further functionality. I'm going to log into my DoorBird. Under user, I'm going to select settings. I'm going to select my app user, which ends in 0001. Here, I'll go to permissions, and I'll revoke the relay 1 permission. Afterwards, I'll go back and hit save. Now, when I hit the key icon, it's just going to automatically trigger the Kwikset API integration.